Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. I got some announcements to make. I may gross you out on one of them, but just hang on and we'll be right back and tell you all about it. Welcome back. Okay. First things first, I'm recording on my new Chromebook. It's so neat. I'm still getting used to this. So, Wednesday evening, 6 p.m. Central Time. Okay, I'll repeat that. Central Time. We're going to try and do a live stream. Okay. Now, couple things are going on. Eric from Nomadic Fanatic had gotten called out by his friend James. I'll put both their links down below and also at the end of this video. Got called out to do a diet, a 90-day diet. Now, Eric, in his video, he says, see if anybody else would be interested in doing it. So I contacted him. I'm going to do it as well. Now, I don't know how many of you have seen Eric's video or James' video in reference to this, but they do show the before pictures. Now, I'm going to insert some pictures here of what I look like now. Please, y'all be kind. Yes, I'm old and I'm fat. All right. So we're going to take. I am so scared to show you these pictures. But here we go. Again, be nice. Be right back. Okay, we're back. I'm now cherry red in the face because I can even see it here on this screen. And we're going to do this for 90 days. Now, this next picture is mostly what I'm going to be eating besides like chicken, or I'm going to may even do a little bit of a pork because I do need to do some protein. I'm not real big on beef. I can eat it, but I would rather have those two proteins. The vegetables are, it's going to be cabbage, it's going to be broccoli, uh, yellow squash, green, zucchini, onions, red peppers, and green peppers. I'm going to make a cabbage stew. I'm going to be steaming a lot of vegetables. I do have cucumbers that I'm going to be using as my snacks. The only thing I am not giving up, I'm sorry, no, no, I'm not giving up my cream for my coffee. I love my flavored coffee in the morning, but I do use a sweetener. I do not use sugar. My goal, total goal of weight loss is between 40 to 60 pounds. I doubt very much I can get all that done in 90 days, but it'll give me a good head start. I will be doing some exercises here in my home. It is just way too cold to be out there doing exercises. I'll try to do some walking on days that it's a little bit nicer and so forth. So, please support me in this. Don't don't belittle me. I know I'm fat, okay? But I'm old. I can't buy that honestly. But like I said, I want to lose about 40 to 60 pounds total. I want to have this all done by summer. And then when next time y'all see me at Lollapalooza, I want to be much skinnier. So let's see if we could work this out. Uh, James and Eric and I think there's one more person that's going to be involved in this too. We're trying to see whether or not we should create a Facebook page, but I know I'm going to give you guys a weekly video. Oh, by the way, I got to step on the scale too, so do that here in a moment. And then I'll post what I am. Oh God, one thing you never ask a woman, or two things. You never ask her age. Well, I'm proud of my age. I'm 59. I'll be turning 60. And you never ask her how much she weighs. Well, I guess I got to be truthful and oh my God, really? Okay. All right. Be right back. Let me get on the scale. Wow. I've lost some weight since I've been home from the boat because when I weighed myself on the boat, I weighed almost 220. So I'm down to 206.2. Yes. I don't know how I did it, but hey, that's a goal in the right direction. All right. Now, one more announcement. You must be able to watch it on the live stream. I'm also making another change as well to myself, and you'll all see it at that time. So, with all this said, I hope to see you on Wednesday. Hopefully, I'm able to figure out this live stream, and we have a good time talking, laughing, and just enjoying ourselves. Get all your questions ready. I'll do my best to answer all the questions that you post, and we'll go from there. In the meantime, if you're new to my channel, don't let this scare you away. This is going to be a good thing. But if you're new to the channel, click on that subscribe button. Click on that little bell so you get the notifications of when I do all my videos. Right? And a lot of you know I'm not on the boat right now because the boats are tied up for the winter. But a lot more food videos will be coming along. But till then, we'll be having good, fun videos in between. All right. Do that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, especially. But be kind and be honest. But be kind. And if you can't be kind, oh well. I'm sorry. Whoops. I hit the. I'm not used to this thing. This Chromebook. I hit it. All right. And by the way, I'm having a hard time editing this as I'm going along because my program that I normally do, it's now a much bigger program and I got to do a touchpad where before I could touch screen. So I'm not used to this. I'm trying to drag and drop and all this. So any of those blooper alerts, it's I'm going to have to get used to how I can do that again. It took me 45 minutes just to enter in just that one writing thing about barf bag. So, all right, people, you have a great and wonderful night, and I'll catch you on Wednesday. Bye bye.